Your small business website might be beautiful, but if Google can't find it, your customers won't either. Things like slow page speed, missing keywords, or outdated business info might not seem like a big deal, but they quietly kill your visibility online. Here are 5 quick SEO fixes that can turn things around. On-page tweaks. Update titles, meta descriptions, and headers with clear keywords. Make every page Google-friendly. Technical touch-ups. Fix broken links, make sure your site loads fast, and check mobile responsiveness. Google rewards fast. Content improvements. Fresh, valuable blogs and product descriptions help keep visitors engaged. Content isn't just king, it's your salesman. Local SEO boosts. Add location keywords and claim your Google business profile. Help nearby customers find you first. User experience wins. Improve layout, navigation, and calls to action. If visitors can't click fast, they won't stay. These small changes can make a big impact. More clicks, more customers, and way less bounce. Want help making it happen? Let MarketingGear give your site a free SEO checkup today.